So we got Hank the Tank on a Razor 125, but Daddy got the new M18 Milwaukee Forge as a battery. Yes, voltage regulator, relays, boards, all added to the bike as well. Is it fun? Is it more fun? Well, Hank is 2. He's 42 pounds. And he turns 3 in 2 days. He's been riding the bike for, I'd say, good about a month now. And he just needed some more power. He wants to be faster than the dogs. Well, I think he's pretty close to it. Is it fun, buddy? Hey, can you say hey to the fans? And we got a little backrest because he wanted to slide so far back and his arms were like spread out. So now he's sitting closer. Do you like your bike, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can Daddy look at it? All right, so we got the new Milwaukee Forge. Just an on and off switch, not a throttle, but does the job for now. So we get some more power. When he gets a little older and he can figure it out. Right now, he's 2, we'll say 3. But Hank the Tank is my little man. And welcome to the channel. It's Norman's Not Normal Experience. So, you got a 2-year-old riding a dirt bike. That ain't normal. Or 3. Go fast, buddy, go. Go, 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 go fast. And what we got over here, Sadie? We got the truck. Now this bad boy right here, love it. Got some real soft, kind of like rubber going on. Very soft tires. Got 4 batteries, 4 motors, and when those motors go out, we'll upgrade this, upgrade the batteries, have a lot of fun. But this thing is awesome. We can have 4 kids in it, 2 in the back, 2 in the front, and still ride around trucking. Love it. Yep. That's awesome. But Hank loves his dirt bike.